Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the AutoPly installation kit for the Mercedes Sprinter. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do when I open this box is move it to the floor because just taking all the pieces out. This is a full installation kit for a Mercedes Sprinter. This is for the 170-inch wheelbase, regular body length with high roof. It's going to be a different kit depending on your wheelbase, your roof height, and all of that, so make sure that you're selecting those options. What I love about the AutoPly kit, as you can see, is we have all of these pre-cut panels in the kit of insulation, and on the back we have this essentially backing that reveals your adhesive right there. So typically when you're installing insulation in a cargo van, you're usually spraying glue, applying your insulation or something like that to the side of the van and doing all of your cuts and so on. And so this just takes all the guesswork out of insulating the van. So these are pre-cut panels. They fit in all the little nooks and crannies in the van. So as you can see, we've got, I just grabbed a couple of pieces out here out of the box. This little insulation here is what I think they call the auto weave. Available in a 1/2 inch and a 1 inch. This happens to be the 1/2 inch. If you get the 1/2 inch, it has an R value of 2. If you get the 1 inch, it has an R value of 4. But what I love about this is there's no fiberglass in it. It's allergen free, bacteria resistant. It's recyclable, all of that. Made in the USA as well. It's manufactured in Ohio. So a great product here from AutoPly. I'm just gonna pull a bunch of these panels out of the box. There's actually 29 pieces total in this kit. Again, it's gonna vary depending on your van and your wheelbase and the specs and so on. So everything just in here in the box, all those little nooks and crannies in the van that you're gonna fill in. And I'm gonna try and pull out a bunch of these because in the box here we have things separated by section of the van, if you will. And so this first section, I believe, is the driver's side and the rear door. So in the 170-inch wheelbase, plenty of insulation in here. And I'm trying to find our divider, a piece of paper that's gonna be in there that's gonna divide your sections up in this box so you know the difference between your driver's side rear door, then you're gonna have one for your passenger side and the passenger sliding door, then you're gonna have another section for your ceiling. But as you can see here, everything cut to spec for your individual van. Great product here. Again, it's available in a 1/2 inch and a 1 inch. Made in the USA. Great little easy product. Takes all the guesswork out of trying to insulate the van. So if you're looking for the AutoPly installation or any other equipment to get your van ready for work or adventure, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan and have a good one.